Hello everybody and welcome to Blender Mastery Series 1 Part 10. In this video I'm going to be finishing off texturing the character, or at least coming close to it. I think it was in the last video I mentioned that there was these like gaps in the boots here, so it saw right through to the other side, and originally I thought that was actually just a face which had flipped around, but when I've actually looked, it's actually that face there, and I forgot to add faces before, so I made a bit of a mistake there, but you can, if you want to, I'm not going to bother, but you can create another face by, if you select the right ones, create another face by just selecting those and then pressing F. I don't know why it keeps selecting those two. Okay, there we go. And pressing F, and that will just seal up that gap, and then you can just add the texture to it like that. But I'm not going to bother doing that because the way the camera's going to be, it will sort of be round about here. Actually, I might need to do it to the front or something. Yeah, so I'll probably do that in another video or something like that. So sorry about that, I didn't realise there was a hole in the shoes like that. But yeah, as I said, I was going to start with the texturing, or finishing it off. So using the same technique I showed you in the last video, I've made a few other textures. So I've got these 4 textures here. I'm going to first of all start with the belt. So I'm just going to have a face select mode and select all of these faces. You might have a more detailed character and have loads of different textures, but the technique's the same. Okay, and on the other side. And all I'm going to do is, I think it's this second texture. There we go, we've added some colour to that part. For this bit of the armour, I've made a darker texture, which is similar to the first texture we made, but just darker. So I'm going to select all of the armour pieces. Selecting the bits at the back as well. Also going to do the same for the back. And also the shoulders. Not going to worry too much about selecting the bottom half of the shoulder because it's quite hard to get to. You can do that if you want, but just for this video I'm just going to leave it. I'm also going to do the same thing to the helmet, so I'll select that in a second. Shall I select any underneath bits which are easy to get to because they'll be the more visible bits. Okay, texture 3 was that? Yeah, and you can see that's now a darker colour. Right, onto the helmet. Now for this bit I'm going to press Z so I can see everything, then just select this top half, go back to texture, then I'm just going to simply deselect all the bits I don't want to have a texture, or I don't want to have that texture. There's a certain select tool, I'm not sure if it's on this version of Blender, but I'm guessing it is, where it's like a circle and then you can use the middle mouse button to deselect things, but I use the old version of Blender, so I'm not sure what the key is in this version. I'll try and find out for the next episode, because it makes things a lot easier. But yeah, they changed what button it was, so I'm not sure what it is in this version. Okay. Texture free. That's about right. Now for the boots, I'm gonna give them similar colour to what I gave the belt actually. Deselect these bits again. No, I can't work out what that circle is, but yeah, I'll try and find it for next episode. Actually, I'm going to be here for a long time doing this, so I'll just do that ready for the next episode. But yeah, basically just select the parts of the boot which you want, and then you can do the same technique again to give them colour. I was actually going to make them the same colour as the boots, like so. So yeah, I'll do that ready for the next episode. I was also going to texture these like horn spike thingies, so if you just select those, I've got a sort of yellowy texture for these. So I'm going to add that. Now we have it, so we started texturing our character. Actually, I might texture the gloves as well. Make them the same colour as the belt. Or actually, I might make them the same colour as the horns. Possibly. Oh. Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah, I think I'm going to have them that colour. I'll just look what colour it is for the belt. Yeah, I'll keep them the same colour as the horns. So, yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to try and fix that boot problem for the next video, so I'll do that, and I'm also going to colour in the boots for the next video. So, thanks for watching this video, everyone, and I'll see you next time.